Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll walk you through how to apply for an Albania e-visa step by step. Don't worry, it's actually a straightforward process. To begin, head over to the official e-visa website using the link provided. Once you're on the page, the first thing you'll need to do is create a free account. It only takes a minute. After registering, log in using your new credentials. When you're inside your dashboard, scroll down until you see several options. Look for the one that says Apply, and click on it to get started. Next, you'll be asked to choose your visa type. For most travelers, you'll want to select the short-stay visa, also known as Type C. Then choose tourism as your purpose of travel. At this stage, you'll see a list of required documents and conditions. Take a moment to review everything carefully so you know exactly what you'll need before continuing. Once you're ready, click on Apply to move forward. The application form will then open. It's quite detailed and divided into multiple sections, so be prepared to spend some time completing it. You'll go through several pages where you'll enter personal information, passport details like number, issue date, expiration date, and other identification data. Just follow each step and make sure everything is accurate. Eventually, you'll reach the document upload section. Here, you'll need to submit all the required files based on the earlier list. After uploading your documents, the final step is to pay the visa fee. Once that's done, your application will be submitted and placed under review by the Albanian e-visa system. And that's it, you're all set. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Take care.